Hello everyone, this is how you make a second floor using ramps in Paradise Tycoon. As you can see here, I already started, so we just have to continue building it. We are using ramps so that you won't have to spam the jump button in order to get up. For now, I will just be building the stairs alone, but it's up to you whether you like to add walls or fences. Adding a floating ramp is fairly easy. So first, you need to add a block beside the ramp that you already placed so that it can be continued. Next is place the ramp on top of the block and then remove the block using your shovel. You can continue this until you're satisfied. I don't think there is a height limitation within the game, but keep in mind that this will require a lot of resources, and if you're unfamiliar with Paradise Tycoon, getting resources may take a lot of time and might require you to buy resources in the marketplace so that you have less time on grinding. But don't worry, the prices on marketplace are fairly cheap. I am running out of materials, so I will visit the marketplace within the game to buy some branches. Items and materials can be bought within the game using the in-game currency, which is Moani. What I am crafting here is the foundation of second floor, and also I want to build the logo of our guild, which is BCH. So this is what the BCH guild logo looks like. It's pretty simple and it's already pixelized, so it will be pretty easy to build. For today, I will just be making the middle part of the logo, which is the letter C. I am making this because I want to add this to the rare island that I bought for 10k Moani. Pre-sale is still available today. You can buy a rare, epic, or legendary island. These are called the Genesis Island. So when you own a Genesis Island, you can rent this island to other players. Also, you have a lot of resources and have access to the daily Moani quest for you to earn. Also, they just announced that the Paradise Tycoon harvest season is about to end in 3 days, so you still have 3 days left to do the social tasks and the tasks within the game. You can join our guild, which is BCH, for you to get the latest news about airdrops like this, and also for us to help you grinding on games on Ronin, Immutable, and even in Gap Quest by YGG. I will put our Discord server link in the description. So that's it for our current build, so stay tuned for more videos.